Visiting Rome wouldn't be complete in any sense without taking in one of the most recognizable structures in the entire world. Let's take a closer look at the Roman Colosseum. Contrary to many people's perception, the Colosseum is not a circle, regardless of what it seems like from street level. It's actually an ellipse reaching 189 meters long by 156 meters wide, and you can really see what I mean when you get a good view from the top. The Colosseum was built as an amphitheater and was the largest ancient one ever built, and is still today the largest standing in the world. The amazing part about that is that most amphitheaters were built into the sides of hills. However, this one was built as a freestanding structure, making it even more impressive. Located in the center of Rome, the Colosseum could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators to varying degrees throughout its history. It's built of travertine limestone, tuff, which is a volcanic rock, and brick-faced concrete. It's seen its fair share of glory, but also was met with several periods of demise. Earthquakes took care of some of the ruin, but also stone robbers were very prevalent during ancient times. Many parts of the stone facade were stripped and used elsewhere throughout Rome, and even burned to make quicklime. Also, the metal clamps that were used to hold the facade in place were stolen, and you can see the little holes everywhere that once held these, which is pretty cool and not to be mistaken for poor craftsmanship. I can't stress enough the size of this structure. I visited here just 8 months ago and I was blown away by the sheer height of the walls and the size of the inside as well. With an outer wall standing at 48 meters tall and 80 entrances located at ground level, it's quite easy to see how they fit so many people inside. 76 of those entrances were used by ordinary spectators, while the other 4 were used by royalty and important people, all trying to get a glimpse of the 83 meter by 48 meter arena floor inside. It's hard to imagine today, but the floor was actually wooden with sand on top of it, and below is a labyrinth of tunnels and cages where gladiators and animals were held before their contests. It's truly no wonder this is one of Rome's most popular tourist attractions, and listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Back in its heyday, the Colosseum had many purposes. Of course, most people know of the gladiatorial contests that were held here and brought to the big screen in the movie Gladiator, but the amphitheater had so many different uses. Public spectacles of all kinds were held here, including executions, reenactments of famous battles lasting hundreds of days, dramas based on Roman mythology, and there's even theories of mock sea battles taking place on the flooded floor. Animal hunts were also a huge spectacle, and it's said that over 9,000 animals were killed during the inaugural games held at the Colosseum. Now that's a crazy number to wrap your head around. Aside from that, during its history, the Colosseum was also used for lesser-known uses like actual housing, workshops, quarters for a religious order, and also a fortress for a time, something that my tour guide didn't even tell me about. The best part about the Colosseum, aside from the structure itself, is its location. You can't be disappointed with the surroundings here like at other amazing wonders. Directly next to the Colosseum, you can explore the Arch of Constantine, Circus Maximus, and also included in most Colosseum tickets is the Roman Forum, the center of day-to-day life in ancient Rome with important ancient government buildings and the beautiful Palatine Hill. Okay, so does this video help sway you to visit Rome? I mean, even without the Colosseum, Rome is such an amazing city, but this structure takes the cake in my books. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other travel videos from around the world as well. Thanks so much for watching.